liberalization ya mabiacara we kambuni cio and these people getting innovative. Yes. No kwede two companies I think they were they were I think 2 or 3 cithiete muno. Yes. Na muno cia kuwa nyakeru
athungu.
Yes. Kwe hoetagwo Mikato. Yes. Mikato was very popular. Mikato safaris. Yakona nithani ciao ciacoretwo ta zebra.
I remember them.
Ata giraffe. They were not very common. Nungiacionire Murang'a.
Saigika atia.
Airport Mara. Airport ya Boseri. The main highways. Nakuru.
Savo.
Yes. Nakuru National Park. Oguo. Nowadays there are many. Even local ones. Yes.
Even local people are starting companies.
They are there. Bonfire Adventures. That good friend of ours with Zunguka Africa. Yes. You know, eko ya Captain Njoroge wa Jerry. Bountiful. Yes. Mwe tu murata itu with Lodes. Yani Lodes Safari. Yes. The opportunities. Now nemakwata makiona there is a niche market.
Na gay safaris.
Yes. Gay safaris. Absolutely. Nimarorete makona riri. Hetho kweta kinyagiro by this premier to a company. Tondu acio no makidiraga na the way equated deed. Hetho komonire makiona thoko eri
ya mwananchi wa hapa chini
Muthuraku. Yes. And they grew in leaps and bounds. Oh yes. Ruyo kize to expedition companies ukona social media ni mara advertise mena these short tours. Arusha thiko ithatu. Yes. Mubadha thiko ithano. And they do very affordable packages.
Mono ne mathia nginya na gukurugongo rwa bururi.
Yes.
Wetagwo atia there's this I had andu mahuragirwo bica thaka muno barabara eno ya
on your way to Marsabit.
Ugithie Marsabit.
Yes. Ayo tukaacha sports. Sio lo acha sports na haubere. Bona Zunguka Africa ne mara utora
kundu kou.
Yes. And you sign up. Most the other sign up as a couple ama ukiwa na
mpango.
Mpoa. Mpango sio mpoa.
Usiongeze kitu kwa mpango.
Niwache tu hivyo.
Uiwache tu hivyo.
Nisiashirie wa. Nisiweke kiashiria wa.
Wacha ikuwe mpango.
Hale mweri. Newe yuhora yokau atiri. Gaka Karusha ri. It looks very juicy. Because I'm bored. Go ithato na matano no de ihurie.
No de ihurie thi Arusha.
Yes. Nikio gathi wena expectation ya riri. Tondu turathie na van icio tu van ri. Twaihura ku ne go interact na andu areku.
Aria ngukora.
Yes. And then sometimes it's good to meet strangers and make
new friends.
Yes. Ukaihura ngo cia kuithatu na
matano. Arusha hii atwaja.
Ukaihura andu macemanagia haria Hilton. Tene cia tene because there is the bird watching what have you. Mukia stopovers. They are very well organized. Yes. Why semania how? Weri. Kitena kabai gaku kahana tarika new age A point. Na ro jacket ruhana wata hiro ne guka uo.
Na riboko.
Na muvuto wa matirio wina tana.
Very open minded.
Na mundu ucio kaingira cembo thoni-ini. Ugacoka ukona mbogire yoka ri. The girls are in hot pants. Yes. Hot pants ni tu nyatha twiho.
Tunini.
We ni tuko tunyihitie itirio. Ukiona ile tu guku Nairobi ino igwete and the wannabes. Yes. Uko na macharina muri mahana uria Samidu wekira tracksuit kana diga thenge
na gathuki
ni ndagathuke mundu mena nginya open ciho ciegoro open ciho ciko cia white ciekira one mundu twendagiria perfume etawatia karori wa perfume o'clock. Yes. Ni meje tuteru turia twenjagwo we ukwaroketie jure na kahari uria tungumanio ari hango cia kuitha tunake
na matano iguru.
Yes. Na wina pocket ya ikingi. nĩ mamba ũkũritũhĩra nginya nĩ magĩkũithia mationaga ta ũyũ ũmwe wao. Habari zenu? Tuko gali moja. Muko kwa Diero?
Hiyo 440.
Hiyo Diero 440.
Tuko na nyinyi.
Alusa, here we go. Okay, oh sorry, oh, you're in the tour.
Ndio.
Kwa tour?
Niko kwa hiyo ngali.
Okay. Karibu. What's your name? What's your name again? Sorry?
Sege.
But Sege. Can we call you Chei? We have a Sege friend of ours, call him Chei. Ata hiyo ni sawa. Mwaki ajia thabarĩ. Wa mbere harĩa mamenyaga mũtikũhotanĩra rĩ nĩ harĩa wambaga kuga atĩrĩrĩ, ndereba tumeombea safari.
Akamenya haha.
Makamenya weri. We mũrũgongo residence. You are just daring the frontier.
Villager. Par excellence.
You're a villager par excellence. Rĩu nĩ mebangaga makona rĩu weri tondũ nĩ ũkũmatanga rĩ wĩikarie ndereba. Nebe kila mtu na mpoa wake. Mwete magoro iguru uria yitu cimena hotfan moya magoro iguru. Mwamona Facebook ukona tamari ya keki na nyeni.
Kerwa mugaikara na ndereba.
Yes. Hedio makuete ka JBL party box. Yes. Kigo mekirite hau. Pem pem pem. Pem black chocolate. Tunda wema nenda zako. Anti dem ni mauru kamoria. Radio Harry, you know when you are a villager, you have a lot of guts because you don't know you are not okay in that group. And you know what you don't know does not affect you. Okay, guys, guys, mnaweza nilusia kamoja kawaja asali.
Ama iretest ya tutula.
Ama kanini kagoyo kawa home wa maigi. Guys, tunaweza inua moja. Adocio mara igwo manogetie. You do not belong to their school of thought, their ways of life, their culture, and their cluster,
and mannerism,
and even their demographic.
Otigije te isinya no ajia kuga wikiriro ya wamo wa maige.
Era de battery. Blow, we do radio iguru. Blow. Kifika madasa runua madisi sinaweza stop over. Okay, mandisi for what? Aki this guy.
Who is this?
Who's this man? Mandisi for what? When ikimwazunguka, I mean, really? This guy looks like he's going for a ratio. Obalito Hagira, you know you don't care.
After all, you have paid like they have done.
Yes, you are entitled. You know at some point you read
the mood and signs.
You read the attitude. Kaigura. Dele utaka katakiswa. No, I'm not allowed. Kaguda. Kago sikaru kagia a new breath of confidence. Okay, hura. Haki bulosi unasikia vizuri na hikyo kidemu. Warai. Ni kisuni. Kinaonekana ni kimomela. Maigua ukuhothera bara.
Maigua ta mangicanga na mbia.
Yes.
Unengerwo mbia ciaku ucokerio.
Ucoke.
Wohie cia bara.
Matara mwena motu kumere Arusha.
Na yo no ngirengerwo 10 ndungirioya.
Makinya Arusha ri. Kigomera na atiriri. Guys. Let's wait for this guy to sleep. When he lalas, that's when we talk. So, he's really a pain in the knee. Let's just wait for him to lala. Then we talk. Sawa guys. Has he lalad? Let's go see Arusha nightlife. Let's go see Arusha nightlife, guys. Wakimowe. Kwani mnaniwaza? Blue. Wathi ukainania. Wala hiki tu inasikaga. Wo, hiki manu wazunguka pagage hizi wala igai. So guys, do you know a place you can get some shisha? Makare heru. Ara. Kweli mko na dogo moki. Surely what is even a dogomoki, guys? This guy is getting into my nerves now. Not ya baby. Wa kaga muno. This guy is a vibe. Okay, we are telling them.
Ambie.
Hey, this guy is a vibe. Yes, I'm a vibrator. Yeah, Koroto. That one of Koroto.
Vai combinar mesmo, tá?